support and resistance strategy explained. Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be doing some forex trading analysis using support and resistance to maximize profit in the forex market. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using GBP, JPY, and we are going to be trading in the London session using the 1 minute. So when you come on the 1 minute, first thing that we are going to be identifying is the structure, that is the uptrend that we are seeing on right now. Here we're seeing that the market giving us the highs, the lows. Okay, so seeing this, we have identified that we're seeing that the market is in an uptrend. Then how are we going to be drawing the levels of support and resistance? Or what do I call the levels of support and resistance? For example, if this is a candle for buys and we have this as a candle of sales, so and we're having these wicks here. We're having the wicks on both the buyers and the sellers. So what is the importance of these wicks? The wicks are showing us a rejection, and the body is showing us number of buyers or sellers in the market. So when I'm drawing my levels of resistance or support, I'm going to be considering the body. I'm going to be looking at the body. So wherever I see the body of buyers, sellers on the same level, I'm going to call that my resistance. So that is my resistance zone. And if I have my candle of sales here, body, then it's my candle of buys there, like that. I'm going to be calling that. You're seeing that we said that where you see the body of buys, sellers on the same level, that is our support. That is our support. That is our support. That is our support zone. Okay, so that's how we shall be drawing our horizontal lines. So here we come in this trend. Where do we see our levels of resistance and support? You come here, you're having the body of buys and sellers on the same level, so that is our support. You see here levels of buys and sellers on the same support, that is support. When you come here, you're having body of buys and sellers on the same level, that is support. Okay, and so on and so on. So if you're to look at this, you're seeing that the buyers are just pushing the market the upside. If you know, if you're seeing that trend and the market is not breaking the lows, means that the buyers are pushing the market to the what? The upside. The buyers are respecting the what? Market structure. So after seeing that, I'll be knowing that the buyers are what? The buys are in control. So if I'm also identifying my trend, I'll be having something like this to show me the path which the market is what? Which the market is following. Okay, so I can also draw my trend line connecting the lows. If you want a video how to use a trend line, might also put it in the comment section. Shall also consider doing a video. Neat. So I can also draw trend line like that. Okay, so that is where my setup. from. That is where my analysis is coming from. So we're seeing here the market is pulling back and it is still respecting the previous levels of support, and it is giving us an engulfing handle. So that is our price action. This buyers engulfing these sellers on a level of support, so meaning buyers are ready to push the market to the upside. So I'll go take my buys at point, then I'll put my stop loss below a week's candle, then aim for the highs. Okay, let's see how it goes. Yes. So we get a very beautiful push to the upside. So that is how we use our resistance, support, maximize profit in the forex market. For more, you can join our Telegram channel. It is an open community. Link in the description. We also have mentorship program going on if you're willing to know more about this. See you in the next video.